Be brutally honest. This is a Republic platform.
Can I be honest here?
Yeah.
It's incredible that Chandrababu Naidu Garu has just walked in here. When I was coming up, he was the chief minister of the state
Exactly.
that I was growing up in, and I've had some wonderful interactions with him. We were one of the few states when I was younger, compared to the other states, that actually had incredible sporting infrastructure. We had hosted national games. I remember this was all at the time. We were talking about 2000. So we're talking about 25 years ago. And the thing is that for us to become a sporting nation, I think we are a cricketing nation. We're not a sporting nation, unfortunately. But for us to become a sporting nation, we need to have a system that supports every sport in this country, and that system obviously comes from right from the top, from the government and, from obviously the states and the country, everything. But also a system that supports young athletes and young parents and showing them the way to how to go about their life. I mean, my parents didn't know 25 years ago what to do. I want to be a tennis player. Okay, and then what do we do about it? There was nobody to go to, So we need to have a system in place in order for us to become a powerhouse of sorts in different sports outside of cricket as well.
But it's also interesting, if you look at performance sports, whether it's Andhra then, Telangana today and Andhra today, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, they have contributed a lot to individual sporting sports. Whether it's tennis, whether it's badminton, chess. Somehow in Delhi, we were all doing kabaddi and kho-kho. Hopefully that will change because we had to dodge so many people on our way anywhere. What makes it so special about that part of India? Because today I have to say, and again, I'm no votary of the BJP or the Congress, what Narendra Modi has done for the Olympic movement, what he has done for sports, is worthy of great credit. The tragedy is the BJP, which has excellent spokespeople, is the worst communicator of its own achievements. And I've said that time and over again. But what Modi ji has done, and I'm seeing, Sania, year after year, more and more people are now committed to sports and the transparency within sports. Where do you see, and now you've got a brilliant career ahead as a pickleball owner. For those of you who are not from Punjab, as I am, pickleball has nothing to do with amka achar. It's a different sport created by America and brought to the world. So tell us about your pickleball ownership.
No, I think we'll get into the pickleball later, but yes, I second what you're saying, and that is the reason, going back to the first point that I made of how many young champions that we have today, how many brilliant athletes we have today that we can look up to as global superstars. And obviously we've had that in cricket, but I'm talking about outside of cricket, and that's where we were really lacking over the last hundreds of years. So the fact is that goes to show you that when the system gets involved, the kind of success you actually get.